Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Geeky Codes. In today's video, we are going to solve a problem called remove stars from a string using an efficient approach. But before we start, if you are new here, then please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss any video from our channel. So coming back to our problem, you are given a string S and it contains stars, and each asterisk represents a delete operation, and we have to remove the closest non-star character to its left and also remove the star itself. We will do this for every star in this string. Okay, so the input is always valid. You will never get a case where this operation can't be performed, and finally you will need to return the resulting string. For example, we have been given leet star star cod star e, and its output should be lecoe. Why? Because after t there is one star, so we will remove both of them, and after that it will be lee star coe. Okay, and after removing t star from the string, we will have lee star cod star e, and when we remove e star from the string, our resulting string will be lecod star e, and after that we can see that we have a star after d, so we will remove both of these letters and our resulting string will be lecoe. To solve this problem efficiently, we will need to simulate the process using a stack. Why a stack? Because we want to keep track of characters and be able to quickly remove the last added character when we see a star. That's exactly what a stack helps us to do. And how are we going to solve that? We are going to follow a step-by-step plan. First step should be to initialize an empty stack, and we will traverse the string S character by character. And third step is, if the character is not a star, then we will push it into the stack, and if the character is a star, we will pop the character from the stack, that is remove the last valid character, and after the traversal we will join the stack to form the final string. So how are we going to perform that in Python?
As I mentioned that our first step should be to initialize a empty stack. Okay, and then as per second step we will traverse through each character in S, and if character is star, then if stack, we will check if stack is not empty, then we will pop up the last character from the stack, and then if our character is not a star, then we will append it to the stack, and at the last we will return the joint string that I mentioned in the last step. So let's see how does it now I will try to run it and check if it works well for both of our cases. So before running it, we will go through its time and space complexity. Here time complexity is big O of n. Why? Because we are going through the string only once, and space complexity is also big O of n. Why? Because in the worst case we are going to store all the characters in the stack. That is why it will take only big O of n space complexity. Now let me try to run it, and as we can see that our code passes these two example test cases. Now I will try to submit it and check if it passes all the test cases in this problem or not. As we can see here that our code has passed all the test cases, that means 65 test cases in this problem, and it performs well. So that's it for today's video, and this is a very beautiful use of the stack data structure for the string processing, and it is also very important for interview like placement interview or your switch interview. So next time you see a problem involving removal of characters based on order, then do not go anywhere else, use tag. So if you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon also for more such breakdowns from Geeky Codes every day. And drop a star in the comment if you love the Python. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.